class. Today we are going to talk about bodies of water and how they're different from each other. Specifically, we're going to talk about oceans versus lakes versus rivers. And I'm standing here in front of the Potomac River up in Northern Virginia. So let's talk about oceans first. There are 5 oceans, and we'll talk about those 5 oceans: the Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Oceans. They are huge bodies of water.
I'm sorry.
And they are filled with salt water, not fresh water. So that's that on that. Oceans separate continents, and continents are big masses of land. Right now, we are all standing or sitting on the North American continent. So, oceans are between all of the different continents. Let's see. Now, look at your maps and look at the map that's going to be up on the board and color all of the continents or big land masses green. All right, the first ocean we're going to talk about is the Atlantic Ocean. That's the ocean closest to where we are right now in Virginia. It runs along the east coast and it's between North America and Europe. You can see that on your maps. Here are some photos of Miss Hayden and her family at the Atlantic Ocean. We are in North Carolina in these photos, not Virginia. So now, look at your map and draw blue X's on the Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is on the other side of our country, the West Coast. So we are on the East Coast right now in Virginia. The other side is called the West Coast. And the Pacific Ocean is between the West Coast and the continent Asia. Hi Chase, this is my dog. So now find the Pacific Ocean on your map and draw blue circles on the Pacific Ocean. Now we'll talk about the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is above or north of North America and Asia. Find the Arctic Ocean on your map and draw blue squares on the Arctic Ocean. All right, now we're going to learn about the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is south of Asia and Australia and north of Antarctica. It should be at the bottom of your map. Go ahead and find the Southern Ocean and color blue triangles on it. Last but not least, we have the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is by Africa and Asia, those continents. Color blue smiles on the Indian Ocean on your map. Hello, friends again. I don't know why I keep saying hello when I've already been on screen for 5 hours. Anyway, let's talk about other bodies of water, lakes and rivers. There's a difference between lakes and rivers. Rivers are surrounded by land on 2 sides. So I'm standing in front of a river. Here's land on this side, and there's land over there. See that? And rivers flow in one direction, and they empty into a larger body of water, like an ocean or a bay. Lakes are a little bit different. They are surrounded by land on all sides, and they don't flow. They stay in one spot. So if you wanted to raft or something, you can raft down a river using its currents, but, hello Chase, on a On a lake, you would have to have a boat tow your raft because there's no current on a lake. What else? River water can be powerful. Right now, the river water is very calm today, as you can see. But if there are storms, it can be powerful and take you away right down the river. And like I said, this is the Potomac River. That's that on that. All right, class, Miss Hayden is going on an adventure down this muddy embankment. We'll see if I survive. The dog Chase has already made it, so
Dun dun dun.
time will tell. Whoa! Whoa! Will I roll an ankle today? Made it!
Oh.
Come on! Where we go? Whoa! Oh, God!
Not only is this a field trip for you all, it's a field trip for Chase.
Whoa! Chase! No, I must turn back, Chase. It's so muddy.
Hi, good boy.
Oh my. Right now we have Chase wading through the river. As you can see, there's no sands like we would see on beaches by oceans, right? There are a lot of rocks and sticks and mud because it's been raining. There's Chase again. So that's the difference there. No sands, just some rocks and mud. And a good boy. Oh my goodness! There goes the good boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, folks, as you can see, the river, the Potomac River, is traveling in that direction. That way. And that way is currently east. So we said the river is currently flowing east. If this were a lake, would it be flowing in any direction or would it just be still? As I mentioned before, oceans are saltwater, rivers and lakes are freshwater. Do you have any questions about oceans, rivers, or lakes? We have Kelly dropping some facts for ya.
Hello, everyone. So here we are walking along this trail and we see these blue marks on the trees. So this means we are on the blue trail. So if you're trying to find your way back, you just keep looking for the blue marks and it'll lead you home.
Should I do a parkour over that? Parkour, parkour! Yeah!
Oh, Chase, go!
Come on, buddy! Good boy!
Woo!
Thanks for watching and wish you all could have been there with me on this field trip.